Our itinerary actually for Resort World 1 is really very interesting because it is actually for 3 nights. You can actually visit Hong Kong, and then after that you go to Kaohsiung, and then after that you go to Penghu, and then back to Hong Kong again. So within like a couple of a cruise holiday, you actually got to visit 2 beautiful places actually in Taiwan, which is Kaohsiung and Penghu. Yeah, or why Penghu or why Kaohsiung, right? Kaohsiung actually is in southern part of Taiwan. It's actually a very beautiful place actually to be in. There is actually a lot of culture and also a lot of good sightseeing places actually for our passenger. And in addition, you could also find very good food in Kaohsiung. So actually that's the reason why we picked Kaohsiung. And then for Penghu, it is a place that is very difficult actually to get there. So right now when you follow Resort World 1, you can visit Penghu, and it's kind of like in a very comfortable manner when you follow the ship actually to Penghu. You could find really very good seafood. It's an island, and therefore you could actually see beautiful scenery and sights and so on. And it is a place that you could actually remind you in the olden day. Very nostalgic, very friendly people, and I'm sure our cruiser will really enjoy it. There are many kind of like shops actually they set up, and these shops carry a products of the local artists, and they have local designer staff that our passenger actually could buy. And in addition, in nearby you could also go and visit a few sites. Example, the pop concert place is a very what you call that iconic building, and in addition you could actually go to the bridge, which is a bridge that we actually could kind of turn around, and then in the nearby area you could also hear the charm, so it is really very, very exciting. Now of course I think when you talk about Taiwan, you talk about agriculture, and especially in the south, you could actually find really very nice fruits, all kinds of food, you know, our passenger looking for. So it's a very attractive destination.
鼓掌非常好，让那个陈光副县长讲一下。
们名胜世界邮轮加入我们泡澎湖的团，我们将突破历史新高，会达到126万人到澎湖观光，到世界最冷静的海湾澎湖观光。
The double home port is a concept which we developed when we home port our ship in Singapore. We'd actually double home port in Singapore and also in Malaysia, Port Klang. So it was a first double home port kind of projects that we embarked on, and it was really very successful because meanwhile we could actually take people from Singapore, we can take passenger from Malaysia, and we also offered the international cruise passenger to Malaysia and to both Singapore. Now, for Taiwan, it is the same thing with the success of the Singapore double home port. We now introduce the double home port Hong Kong and Kaohsiung. So again, this will kind of bring a different experience to our cruiser. They could explore two different beautiful places actually during their cruise voyage.